Hello, my dear grade 7 students. Welcome back to Tuition Masters. And today we are here with our session number 2 for your mathematics chapter, that is triangle and its properties. So, today is our session number 2. And as you guys know, in our last session, we had discussed about the median and the altitudes of a triangle, isn't it? So, today we are here with doing the exterior angle of a triangle, properties of exterior angle, and angle sum property. So these three subtopics we are going to cover today. Make sure to watch this video till the end. Make sure to like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel as well. So let us start with doing the exterior angle of a triangle. When we talk about triangle, we can actually divide it into two parts. Okay, what are the two parts? First one is the interior. Inside, there are three sides in the triangle, correct? Triangle has three sides. So inside the three sides, that space can be called as the interior of the triangle. Okay, interior is nothing but the region which is covered by the three sides. The area within the three sides is known as the interior. And the next part is exterior angle. I not angle, I mean exterior. Means the three sides are there, but not inside. Outside the three sides is the exterior part. Correct. For example, if I say, let us say that this is the fencing of a building. Okay, this is the fencing of a building. Okay, so if whatever things are inside the fence, it will be in the interior. Correct, and whatever things are outside the fencing, that is in the exterior, isn't it? So that is the same concept for interior and exterior of a triangle as well. Ab interior angles. Okay, there are two type of angles which a triangle also have. One is interior and other is exterior. Interior angles are measures from one side to an adjacent one inside the polygon. So we studied, right? Triangle have three sides, three vertices, three angles, right? So that three angles are the angles which are inside the triangle. So this one, two, three, these all three are the angles inside, correct? All of them are inside, right? All of them are inside the triangle, so hence it is known as interior angle. Okay, now what is exterior angle? Angles which are measured outside the polygon with extended lines, that is known as exterior angle. For example, this is my triangle. Okay, this is my triangle. Now let us put a name to this, a b c. Okay, now if I stress the c this side, so if you can see, I make an other angle, correct? It is outside the triangle. Now, let us say that again, side B also I'm extending. Again, if you see, one more angle found outside the triangle. Similarly, if I extend A also, so here also you see we get an exterior angle. So the angles which are outside, even it can be same for like this, then it can be like this, and it can be like this as well. All these angles are the exterior angles of a triangle. A more clear picture is this. All these angles are known as the exterior angles of a triangle. How do we make them? We make them by extending a line. Okay, we make them by extending a line. Now look over here. If you saw here, these two angles are not exterior angles. Why? Well, sorry, not this one. Yeah, this one is not an exterior angle. Why? Because this is inside of two sides, correct? So that is why it is not an exterior angle. Okay. Now, look over here. Is the angle shown in the figure exterior angle? Yes, we can say it is exterior. Why? Because there is one triangle, one side is produced, this angle is outside. So, yes, it is a exterior angle. So, point to be noted, an exterior angle of a triangle is formed by any side of a triangle, and the extension of its adjacent side. When the adjacent sides are getting extended, that time we will get the exterior angle. Now students, let us move towards the property of exterior angle. Now here you have some proofs. Okay, you have to prove that how it is correct. So yes, that's what also we are also going to do together. So do not worry. Now look over here. The property is all the exterior angle of a triangle. All exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angle. What does it say? It means that if I have a triangle like this, okay, A, B, C, D, okay, now this is my angle ACD. Angle ACD, as per the theorem, it says that the opposite angles are what? The opposite angles are A and B. So angle ACD will be equal to angle A plus angle B. This is what the theorem says. Now we have to prove how it is true. Whether it's true or not, we have to prove it. So let us see how. Let us say this is the same figure we have. ACD is the exterior angle, correct? We have to prove that angle 1 plus angle 2 is angle ACD, correct? Let us draw through C, point C, let us draw a line CE which is parallel to BA. Let us draw a line like this named as CE. Okay, let us draw one extra line. Okay, now look carefully. How do we prove it? Now, if you see here, given that BA is parallel to CE, correct? BA and CE are parallel to each other, correct? And if you look carefully, is it forming a Z? It is forming a Z. So that means AC is the transversal, correct? AC is the transversal of the two lines. Now, transversal means that this angle and this angle will be equal, not the full, only that part. Let us say that this is x, this is y. So we can say that angle 1 is equals to angle x due to alternate interior angles, correct? Now come back. Now come back, let us take the other one now. Okay, now look over here. Let us say BE and CE are parallel, but in that even BD is the transversal. Yes, even these two lines are parallel and even BD is intersecting them, right? It is also a transversal then. Now what in that? Now what? If we're taking BD as the transversal, so what will we get? If you look over here carefully, you will get that angle 2 is equals to angle Y. Angle 2 and angle Y will be equal to one another. Okay. Now, can we add both of them? Let us add this and this equation. What will we get? We will get that, let me change the pen color. Now, what will we get? We will get that angle 1 plus angle 2 is equals to what? Angle x plus angle y. What is angle x plus y? Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equals to x plus angle y. That is nothing but angle ACD. Now, isn't that the thing we had to prove? That is what we have to prove now, that this angle and this angle is equals to this angle. So hence we have proved it. Okay. So here you see, here is the entire proof of how you are proving the answer. Alright students, now let's move towards ahead. Now look here. So this, with this above relationship, we come towards your property, that is exterior angle property, which says the exterior angle is equal to the two opposite interior angles. So if you have this, it will be equal to the sum of A and B. Okay, clear? Very good. Let us try to do some questions. Now, the question says in the given figure, two angles are indicated. What is the measure of ACX? So you look over here. We have to find the value of this one. Correct? It is exterior angle. Now we know that exterior angle ACX will be equals to sum of the interior opposite angles. What are interior opposite? Angle A and angle B. What is it? Angle CAB plus angle ABC. Correct? Do we have the values? Yes, we have. So angle ACX is equals to 50 degrees plus 55 degrees. What is that? 50 plus 50, 100 plus 1 5 is 105. So therefore angle ACX is equals to 105 degrees. Hence found it. Okay, clear? Let's see the next one. In a triangle, exterior angle is given to you, okay, and one interior opposite is given. You have to find BAC. Okay, you have to find BAC. Okay, now let's try to do this. We know that BCD is exterior angle, so as per the theorem, BCD will be equals to interior opposite, that is CBA, angle CBA plus angle BAC. Correct? This plus this will give you 95. Correct? So it's given that it is 95 degrees is equal to CBA, that is 55 degrees, plus angle BAC, which we do not know. How do I find BAC? Let's take BAC on the other side. So it will become 95 degrees minus 55. Correct? So now just calculate what is the 95 minus 55. So 95 minus 55 will be nothing but 40 degrees. So angle BAC is equals to 40 degrees. If you want to recheck, you can do that also. 40 plus 50 is how much? It is 95. So is it 95? Yes, got it. Let's see the last topic of the day, that is angle sum property. Okay. Now, what is angle sum property? Look over here. So, angle sum property says that in a triangle, the sum of all the angles is 180 degree. That means if I have a triangle like this, A, B, C, and three angles. So the angle sum property says that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degrees. Now what you have to do is you have to prove how. So let us see the proof here. Okay, let us not, I'll not show you the proof. Let us solve, let us do the proof together. Okay. So let us draw a triangle. Let us say we have a triangle with the exterior angle as well. So a, B, C, D, and four angles are there. Okay, one, two, three, and four. Okay, wait, I'll draw a bigger figure. So if you look over here, I have drawn one figure. Okay. Now let's see. What we have to prove that 1, 2, 3 is equals to angle A plus B plus C is equals to how much? 180 degree, correct? So let us say we have made one exterior angle here also, correct? Now we know that angle A plus angle B will give us angle ACD, correct? Because this angle will be equals to this and this interior opposite, correct? That we know. For let us say if I add angle 3, this angle C, if I add to both sides, what will I get? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to angle ACD plus angle C, isn't it? If I add C both the places, correct? Now look carefully. If you see here, carefully look, can you see that it is forming a linear pair? This and this, it's on a straight line, it's making a linear pair. That means 3 angle 3 plus angle 4 is how much? 180 degrees. Now what is ACD? ACD is 3 only. So what can we get from here? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degrees. So did you see how did we prove it? What did we do here? We just said that we are just making an exterior angle 4 here, correct? Now 3 and 4 both are what? They're nothing but a linear pair, and angle A plus B is equals to ACD, exterior angle property. So with that we can say that the sum of the three angles is 180 degrees. Here is your proof. Now let us do the two more questions and end with our session today. The question is, Two angles of a triangle are of measures 105 and 30. Find the measure of the third angle. So, as per the question, we have a triangle. Let us say ABC. Two angles are given 105 and 30. We have to find the third side. We know, as per the theorem, angles and property, angle A plus angle B plus angle C should give me 180 degree. So angle A is given as 30 degree plus angle B is given as 105 degrees, correct? Plus angle C is not given and it's equals to 180 degree. Now what is 30 plus 105? It is nothing but 135 degrees plus C, angle C is equals to 180. So taking 100 and 135 there, what we will get? We will get angle C is equals to 180 degrees minus 135 degrees. That is 45 degrees. So hence this answer is 45. So measure of angle C is 45 degrees. Okay. All right. Let us move towards the next question. One of the angles of a triangle is 130 degree and the other two angles are equal. What is the measure of each of these equal angles? So look over here. Interesting question. They said that there is one triangle, it's isosceles you can say. This angle is given as 130 and these two are equal. If this is x, this is also x, but they both are equal. So let us frame an equation. 130 degrees plus x will give me how much? 180 degree, correct? 130 plus x is what? 2x is equals to 180 degree, correct? Now let us take 130 to the other side. So 2x will be 180 minus 130, that is 50 degrees. So what will be x? X will be 50 by 2, that is 25 degree. So each of the angle is 25, 25, 25. If you add them, 25 plus 25, 50. 50 plus 130, 180. So hence your answer is God. So with this, my dear lovely students, we have completed with our today's session of the exterior angle property and angle sum property of the triangle. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like this video, share with your friends, subscribe to channel right away for all these interesting videos. I'll be seeing you very soon in our upcoming videos. Till then, take care.